So, hello guys, we are here in Lisbon. It's this beautiful place. Just take a look on this view. And Ethereum Hackathon is just here, and we met Harmony team again. So, Anna, please introduce our speaker today.
Hello, so we are now here with Stephen C., who is the founder of Harmony. It's a proof of stake blockchain for scaling cross-chain Ethereum applications. Nice to meet you here, Stephen.
Thank you, and thanks for having us.
So can you tell us some more about your journey in crypto, when you did get in, and how did the idea of founding Harmony come to you?
Yeah, so we started about even 4.5 years ago, thinking about what problem we can help after our journey as building so many big companies, big platforms. So my background has always been academic, to think about secure protocols, but also what the toolings can be helpful to start. So after Google and Apple, I felt like that building open platform is even more challenging. So back in 2018, we raised the money, 18 million, to start the team in Silicon Valley. We identified scalability as the hardest thing to figure out at that time, using sharding, but also proof of stake. So we're still the earliest sharding protocol that run on EVM.
Great, and now you have as well 3 million funds for builders on Harmony.
Yeah.
And you told me that you interviewed for the
Absolutely.
whole day developers here. So
Yeah.
can you tell more about this incentive program?
Exactly, not 3 million, 300.
Yeah, it's all 300.
Right? So I think that's really how the industry has changed. Many of the base protocols like us, if not DeFi protocol like RFA, that will have huge treasury to really help the next generation of builders to think about both on Harmony and as well as cross-chain applications, what we need now, today, 2021, 2022. For 300 million grants, we make it very specific. We want to help people build long-term projects using DAO. We want to think about NFT cross-chain. We want to build liquidity that actually allow traders to think about multi-chain strategy.
And why do you think that DAO is a perfect organization?
Yeah, for people still probably a little bit new to DAO, it's already topic of the time. That's the whole reason why many people, especially young people here, to talk about DAO is because we have so many experiments in the last few years doing on-chain governance, on-chain also asset management. So really come to the point that many of the tools are more mature now. We just flew to Denver for the NCOM the first time. We're going back for East Denver. We're one of the major sponsors to think about what DAO tools are really now for multiple reasons. Easily for investment, holding NFT, doing multi-sig, using those are basic. But DAO House, Oregon, we are really working with them to test on our testnet, to think about can other communities, especially Beijing, especially GameFi, they're really doing different initiatives once a day. Can they do it together on chain?
And what is your criteria when you decide which projects you select? I know that you are limited to 10,000 projects.
Not a limit at all. We make out the number 300 because we want to really list out the budget. Obviously, the market really has been expanding. We're even more than 300. But let's figure how to solve this $300 million problem first. And we actually write out very specific guideline and detail. We even openly tell each other in the community how much we fund per project. So there's no guessing, there's no behind the scenes discussion. Everyone see what they can model. So we're very happy that with that, we have lots of rejections too, but actually we are accepting project at a very fast rate. Because they didn't access, we just need to tell them if you are testing already, that's how much we fund you. Once you follow it out together easily, another 50,000 just to have a real project with 10,000 users.
And what type of projects does the industry need in your mind?
In my mind, NFT is a good start. Right? DeFi is actually quite specialized, and everyone understands doing this now, and we're still improving on it. And there are easy liquidity mining that people can get into. But if you are still joining the space, especially through Hackathon and throughout the world, getting your community to come on chain through NFT is the easiest thing. So you are building tools, but at the same time, the use case will be very immediate.
So NFTs for you is just the use case for getting a broader audience, or do you have any other use cases, like not just JPEGs, NFTs
Exactly.
or something like that.
I think the graphics and the art is the fun part. Is something that people will design and have a thought that even creative can be part of, but that's not the limit of it. To me, it's about the community. They have some way to recognize each other, right? Whether as a social token or as a peer bonus, they have some way to, or as an event that the fact that we come to the same place, same time, doing same thing together, just have a way to engage each other. So it doesn't need to be about whether JPEG or generating a dynamic NFT or not. It's really about how to create more bonds within the community.
And do you own yourself any NFTs?
Oh, just some fun one. We actually creating more of like proof of attendance, like 3D animation. Our partner Timeless actually are very serious about design. To think about it's one thing to be on the wait list, but actually through a social graph, I can easily get you in. I think those kind of like NFT cross social, cross mobile, cross location will be really the breakout points here.
And you have as well a partnership with some NFT platforms.
So we have an NFT marketplace called Davinci, and we have quite a lot of amazing artists. We are probably close to 5,000 artists now to the doing thing, and we're very serious about helping really long-tail organic artists to come out. It's not just even about the price. The fact that they know that this is a way to engage with the audience. The price will always keep growing once they create work. So we also have like different, not just NFT artists, but tooling to help these artists to help like mint easier. We have wallets specifically just for NFT.
And on which chains do you love the mint of NFTs? On
Yeah.
all on Ethereum, Binance.
Yeah. So on Harmony, we really want to push the cross-chain narrative. So once it's minted, we have a bridge to help them bridge it back to OpenSea. We really want to do it even on mobile for the fact that if the cross-chain metadata can work out, that's really the best thing to think about.
Yeah, that's great. And can you share with us some upcoming plans of
Yeah.
Harmony?
Yeah, really the coming plan is to make sure that our 300 million fund, and likely going to be more, to be really coming down to 100,000. And at Lisbon, we also make one announcement as well. We bought a top level internet domain called Dark Country.
How is it called?
Dark Country, right? Like we're in the country of Portugal. I was from America. Dark Country. Most people still understand internet domain like .com and .land. Within Dark Country, we bought the entire domain from the internet. It will be perfect to think about DAO. What will be your digital nation, digital identity? Will be. We want to have different subdomains just based on different coins. We really want to build a cross-chain future where Dark Country is really just our way to associate our reputation and identity.
Do you plan to make NFT from this domain?
Exactly. Names are the original like asset that started internet. Right? As you know, internet domain names. Most of all, we want to make it a radical market. So many people buying internet domain, they don't use it. Right. Same thing with NFT. You don't use it, there's no value. So there's a concept called radical market, especially started with the cyber movement as well as Ethereum. Think about how to incentivize utility, but also like a change of common pools of resources. So we think that is really the perfect experiment for us.
And how do you compete with other layer 2 solutions? Like everybody claims that they're faster, have cheaper fees, like
Right.
now Solana,
Yeah.
Avalanche, probably
Exactly.
the most trending.
Yeah.
So how do you compete with them,
Right.
and why should developers choose Harmony?
I know. We cannot, but we should not. There's still only 1% of people that uses even heard about crypto. We must actually help each other to actually reach out to much more people. So I really take like something even like the MetaMask approach, right? Day one, work with multi-chain. After just around the cross-chain initiative. Same thing for us. We're building bridges. So we are friends with like all these Facebook developers. The harder challenge is how to actually build with each other.
Yeah, and I think that just recently Aava and Curve launched on Harmony.
We did.
But other protocols will be launching soon.
Yeah, I think Aave will be a really next thing that to have. We have many DAOs partners that are launching with us. I think NFT marketplace they really want to also see many of the new things like mobile support, as well as like social element within. play element. We think that the hard thing is not about like what are the current players, right? Many of them will go mainstream. The hard thing is how to go mainstream. So we have two concepts. One is called the decentralized basically. One is to think about how to border long-term create wealth in harmony.
Yeah, that's the right approach. We should cooperate all together to bring the industry and crypto for mass adoption.
Yeah.
And guys, check out the Harmony's incentive program, 300 million, and build new exciting companies.
Yeah, thank you.
I also have a question.
Yeah.
What was the idea behind this name, Davinci? Why did you call the NFT platform Davinci?
Yeah, I do feel like even the name Harmony and Davinci and our NFT partner called Timeless really represent our brand. It's really about what we believe that it's not just about a fun name. Da Vinci is obviously a famous artist, but we want to really showcase really not just a high-end artist, but the gallery aspect, the beauty aspect of it is what we think is meaningful.
Very nice. Thank you for this interview.
Yeah.
Good to see Harmony team second time on our channel.
Yeah, thank you again. Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Thank
Big
you.
pleasure.